Ready? Hi, this is Dr. Richard Downs, and I just got done doing an implant surgery. All of you are familiar with this, and I took an impression to repair or add a tooth to his partial as a temporary measure until we can get him a more permanent solution. But as you can see, all dentists have this, a bloody impression with your alginates, and there's no way to sterilize this until now. Not a really good way to disinfect it, and you can wash off as much blood as you can, but it doesn't get it all off. And then we have still bloody stains, and we have bacterial contamination. But now with Toppen Dental, we have what's called the Oz, and this Oz, okay, this actually makes ozone out of water. So I have distilled water in here, and in the bottom are two diamond electrodes with a membrane between them. And this is unique because you just charge it up, and then this will last you about 5 years, replace all your chemicals that you used right now for sterilization of countertops and things, and you really can't use on alginates. And so this can be used for disinfecting an alginate, which is really unique because all we're doing is putting water on here and ozone. So I'm going to put water on here and the ozone. Okay. And now, within about a minute or two, this thing will be really clean for sending to the lab. And you can also take your towel that you usually wrap it in and go ahead and soak the towel with your ozonated water. So ozone is made directly from water in this system. It's very unique and very handy.